So guys, first you want to make sure that do not disturb is turned off. So just scroll down on your phone until you find do not disturb. Make sure that it's turned off. For the second method, you want to hold on the Gmail button. Once this comes up, you want to click on app info. And now once we're here, you want to click on notifications. Make sure you have allow notifications turned on. And make sure you have pop-up on allowed. And then go back, select permissions, make sure you have notifications allowed. For the next method, you want to open up Gmail. Now in the top left, you want to click on the three lines. And now you want to scroll down and then click on settings. Once this comes up, you want to select your account. Now you want to click on notifications. Make sure you have notifications set to all.